discussing. Yes, ready? Everybody already started recording, so that's okay. Now I'll just
Yes, sir.
okay. So user management means how to add a user. That is first important, right? And also I will show you sign in options also. We'll see that one. So first one is how to add a user. Multiple ways to add a user is there, so we'll see that one. Now in a type of users are a user accounts, or you can say users are a user accounts is administrator. Administrator is a user. As an administrator, as a user is nothing but a built-in user. Built-in user disabled by default. That is administrator. Disabled by default. So that is a built-in administrator is there. 9. Next one is administrator is type of account. As a type of account, it means by generally first user in system is administrator as a role or a type. Okay, so usually like that. So it's an administrator. It's a type of account wise also there. Okay, admin status type of account is administrator. First user in the system is administrator. Already I add a user, right? That is my student one is nothing but a administrator. Next, standard. Yes, my voice is clear.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, standard is also type of account. Standard is a type of account. It is also a type of. So two type of accounts. One is administrator and another one is guest. Sorry, another one is a standard. Okay, so when you are add other users, by default there are standard users. Okay, we can change administrator account to standard and standard to like vice versa, administrator. Okay, so we can change administrator account to standard user account. So this is so I said administrator, it is itself an account, itself a name. Okay, is nothing but a user, built-in user, disabled by default. When you add a user, automatically the new user is an administrator. If you are adding any other user, by default there are standard users. If you want to make a standard user as an admin or an admin to standard user, you can do it. One more is there, guest user. It's not a type of user, it is a guest is a direct account. Means not a type of account, it's a guest. Guest. It is a built-in type. Means inside it is already there. It is not a type of user, it is a kind of user it is. Okay. No rights. No rights type. Okay, no rights. It don't have any rights to access or change something. Okay, guest only to log in as a guest and web browsing like that only, not access. Okay, to access applications or a change or anything. Change, install kind of stuff. You don't have any rights. Okay, no rights to do it. Guest is only to log in, only to log in, and just like a web browsing. Web browsing. So just like a default apps or a direct app application like a CMD prompt like that. So very basic access. The basic access. So no need to tell you so many things about it. Next, the administrator, user, or account in either way got all rights and access, changes, can do any changes, installations, uninstallation, settings. Okay, you can change the settings, you can install, uninstall, anything, everything you can able to do it. So that's called all rights. Standard accounts. Standard account users, standard type of users. Okay, limited access. Rights are a access. Okay, limited access only. So the user cannot install, uninstall, usually uninstallation. Okay, cannot change settings, not change settings. So like that, we can't able to do it. Okay, next. In our Windows 10, you can log in with local user, which I showed like how to use it, local user, and local user, Microsoft user. Okay, meaning is log in with the Microsoft account. Okay, email account. Or work account. So Office 365 account like that. Work account means Office 365. Okay, or Azure accounts like this kind of Microsoft accounts, work account, local users, you can able to log in. That is the one thing is a compulsory important. So I am not able to speak very loudly. I am feeling myself now. I'm not speaking big voice. Loud voice is not coming. Yes. So okay. So we'll see. First, how to add a account. So go to this. Okay. So this is my user, guys. Compulsory check which user you are currently logging. So go to this. You can see student one. My current login is student one. So I will tell you two ways to log in. So two ways to add a account. Here it is. Go to settings. Go to settings. Guys, in virtual machine, do not use your Microsoft account. In your physical machine, it is your wish, your risk to put your Microsoft account. But in a virtual machines, do not use any kind of account because virtual machines permanently are not using. That is important. Okay. So accounts, go to accounts. So here I will give you some information. See your info. You are a student one, local account and a administrator and also a administrator. If you want to log in with the Microsoft account, so you can click here. So sign in with the Microsoft account. Then you have to give username and password of Microsoft account. Okay, username and password of Microsoft account. Otherwise, you can create your new account also, but don't do it. Okay, right. You can take a picture, or if you are already having a picture, you can put a profile picture also. It's a local account and is a administrator. Your info. Email and accounts. Email and accounts. In email and accounts, accounts used by email, calendar, and contacts. So when you give your email account kind of stuff, it will sync with that email accounts, right? For example, if I give Microsoft account, so then wherever the Microsoft my account is using, the mails, calendars, contacts sync each other. So that is email and account kind of stuff. Second one is work account. So work or a school account. So this is like my work related calendars, contacts, things also will be synced to my PC. So you can see in my physical machine. Okay, accounts. So there you can see in the above also it is my username administrator and also it is showing a Microsoft account, but I'm not logging as a Microsoft account. I log in as a local account only. See here it is two accounts. One is my personal account and as well as my company account is also there. Okay. So sign in options, family and others. So some other things also there. Access work and school. Okay. Work and school kind of stuff. Anything is related to information is there, it will go. Next one is sign in options. Your account, your info. In the your info, who is you? Like sign in options. How do you want to log in? How do you want to log in? Do you want to face recognition? Thumb impression. Face recognition means you need a camera. Fingerprint. You need a thumb impression related. Pin, like your mobile phone pin is there, no? Pin login. So pin. Security key. So there is a physical security means like USB keyboard is there, like a USB pen drive is there. Just connect it and go to security. The key stores in the physical device. So if you want to log in, connect the device and log in. Passwords, not regular password, picture password. So you can give some favorite pictures inside and you can select a particular picture. So whenever you click on it, automatically you will log into your PC. So that is picture password. So this is a sign in options, guys. Okay, so how to forward this information? What to do? Go to snipping. This is one worst. This is a good one. No, not this is a good one. Snip it now. Okay, so I'm taking only this portion only.
Sir, what is picture password, sir?
Picture password means you have to give multiple pictures and select a specific picture, specific some pictures. So as like a password.
Capture like.
Yeah, it's a kind of stuff. Not now. So that is sign in option. Okay. Swipe and tap your favorite photo to unlock your device. You want to really do practically, then also we can try. But we need a more pictures. So what I'm going to do is I go to my pictures. Okay. So we don't get much pictures. We'll go to some pictures from we have some pictures here. There, 3 pictures are there currently. Okay, I use these 3 pictures as a picture password. I will try after long time. See, I copy data from my physical machine to virtual machine. Okay. Now go to picture password. I click on a picture password. You can use favorite picture to sign in Windows apps and services. So okay, add. Now it is create a picture password. Verify your account. Okay, admin@123. Okay, so then choose a picture. Yeah, we have a certain pictures are there. Okay, choose a picture like this. I am choosing this picture, or you can choose this picture also, no problem. I'm choosing that picture like this picture. Use this picture. So set up your gesture. Draw 3 gestures on this picture. So a gesture. Okay, so then it is Ethernet. Okay, and that is my desktop. That is 1, 2, 3. 3 is it is another Ethernet, right? So then this is Ethernet. Confirm your gestures. I forget my gestures. This is 1. This is 2. 3 is this one. Finish. Yeah. Starting days we use this one. So we'll try. If you are unable to, if I am not unable to log in, then what to do? Log in. So it is it's a picture it is showing here. So you want to log in direct login or this login. The first one is round. Second one is square. Both disk 0 and disk 1. Third one is a third Ethernet. I put a like this. I am logging. Good now. Do you like it, guys? Or not understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Like it, sir.
Like it, sir. Yes, sir. Like it, sir.
Okay.
Forgot.
If you don't understand, that is very good. So you don't need to do in this one. If you understand, you try it and you done something mistake, big problem. Okay, yeah, you can try in virtual machine, guys. If you done something mistake in your virtual machine, no problem. We can delete and we can recreate it. Yeah, we log in successful. Okay. After so long time, means almost like 3 years. You're the only one person asked me that question. So what is a picture password? Okay, and now I showed you. That's I actually forget what is this picture password also. So you have to tell thanks to that person, to you only. Okay, that is picture password. So sign in options. So again, so actually I jump a step from adding a user to sign in options. Okay. So Windows hello type, like a face recognition, like a cam kind of stuff. So what it is? PPT or notepad? I will send a PPT as well as a notepad thing. Okay. 16 batch. Guys, these two are PPTs. Okay, your batch is 16, right? So this is
Yes, sir.
module 1, module 2, both are your PPTs only. Okay. So first PPT I showed. Notepad I will share anyway after class. Someone is crying very loudly. Neighbors. Okay. Thumbprint or fingerprint. This is Windows Hello required a face recognition thumbprint. Um, pin password. Normal password. So I'm typing normally password, pin password, picture password. Security key. That way I can't do now. So practically we can't see show you that one. So that is it's like a security key. Okay. So security key is like a physical security. There is a device like a pen drive kind of device. It is there pen drive. So key stores there, and if you connect, you can able to log in. Hello pin. Earlier it is a pin password only. Now it is changed to hello pin. That's it. So what is a hello pin? Again, it required a Microsoft login. If without Microsoft login, you can't do this one. Okay, it's just a pin. Pin normally you can log in with the pin number. Okay, so this is we have to remove that one. So we'll see that one, no problem. We'll keep it for a few days. Okay, so these are the sign in option, guys. Okay, the how to create an account. So I forget to show it. So where we are to go to the accounts, how to go? For a few days, system will slow, guys. Why? Because of updates. So background updates also will go. So go to settings. Okay, leave your virtual machine for 1 day completely, like update fully. Once it is completely updated, restart, completed, then stop updates or pause updates to see whether updates are going on or not. So that is also for maintenance. Oh, 6 o'clock, but only one practical. Okay, easiest practicals are there, so you can easily do it. Okay, so this is a updates. So update and security, you can go to updates. Guys, what you do, So take a 1 hour time or half an hour time. Go to settings. In the settings, go to each and every thing. Go to settings and go to each and every block like a system, network, like that. So then you can see all the options and the stuff. It is still going on, so then it may take time. Meanwhile, I go back. Guys, remember, so in Windows 10, when background update is going on, system become very slow. System become very slow. So no need to worry or no need to hurry on anything. So what you do, slowly do it. Okay, that's only thing. Okay, first go to accounts. We are already seen. So how to connect other accounts and what is your account? Are you a local account or a Microsoft account or a administrator account? First of all, we know that one. How to add your Microsoft account or email accounts and your company related accounts. So that is here. How to sign in with the sign in different sign in options like a face recognition and stuff. Okay. Yeah, forget to put this kind of stuff. Work and school access already we did. Now, finally, we'll go to family and others. Because of I'm an administrator, I can add a other account. I can add other accounts, family accounts using Microsoft account. Also, I can able to add it. Yes, okay. If you after 9 p.m. okay, I'm free. Okay. Just give me a message at 9:15, so I will connect and look at it. So install a. Um, uh, so if you are already having, then good. Otherwise, download like this. AnyDesk. Okay. Go to AnyDesk. Just open the site or go to download. Download for Windows kind of stuff. Download. Okay. So download for Windows. Okay. Just download this thing. Okay. Open it. Just download, copy on your desktop. Very simple way is a better way. Copy on your desktop like this, or just open it. It's .exe. No need to install anything. Don't install, and better don't install, guys. Don't install. Just open .exe file. It shows a number, and share that number to me. Okay, I will give you access. I will connect it to your system and see. Otherwise, if it is a normal problem, means steps related problem, so then you can do video call also if in case your internet kind of issues. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is, yeah, what we are doing, yes, we are adding a user. So click here, add someone else to this PC. Add someone else to do to this PC. Okay, because we are connected to internet, it will ask some questions. Okay, so I will do up to last part, and if possible I will cancel it, and I will ask you guys, some of you, any of you, guide me how to do it. Okay, see, it is asking like a Microsoft account related one. So no, I don't have this person's sign in information. Go to I don't have this person sign in information. So again, it will ask, do you want to create an account for him? Like that. So Microsoft account, or you want to create a local account. If you are not connected to internet, so then you don't get those many options directly. You can able to access. Last option, add a user without a Microsoft account. Okay, not a phone number, not an email ID. Add a user without a Microsoft account. Without Microsoft account. Okay, so then give the username. So I'm giving a second username is student2. If you want to give password for him, you can give, otherwise no problem. Because he's not an administrator, he's a standard account. So standard account having a limited access. Admin compulsory password is required. So why? Because of lot of access permissions are there. So whether it is, I'm not going that one. So very simple, it is standard account. If you want to give the password, otherwise not required. Just I given a user account. So I click on a next. Actually, I want to click back or a cancel, but I done. No problem. Local user account is created. Change account type. Is showing change account type. Click here. Already I told now we can change the account type from the standard account to administrator. This is the standard user. You can change it to administrator. So when you click on OK, automatically it become administrator. So I'm not doing anything, just I'm canceling it. Also, I'm removing this user. No problem. We can remove immediately after creating of user without logging. Okay, no problem will occur. Okay, I'm closing this window. Now, you guys are tell me how to add a user. Any one of you. First step. Next.
Accounts.
Very good. Next one. I want to add an account.
Family and other users.
Very good. Next.
Add someone else.
Very good. So again, it will go to Microsoft, like Microsoft kind of stuff. No problem. We will wait. Wait. So I don't have this person's sign-in information. Okay. So what's option?
Add a user without a Microsoft account.
Very good. Okay. So actually, I created a student account too, but I deleted it also. So to avoid a confusion, I put a student 1, student 2. Student 1 first user, student 2 second user. I don't want to give any password, just click next and account is added. You want to see whether it's a standard account or a admin account, you can get it from here. If you want to change, you can change it from here also. Cancel it, don't change it, anything. So this is account adding. So when you add an account, automatically it may show us here or may not. You like see student 2. No need to do anything, guys. I want to show you other way to log in. Okay, so most you have to create one separate file or a separate page in the notebook for a run commands. This only one run command I forget always. Okay. So what is this run command means? Things you put it in a under run. Okay. So under run, so to open something console like that or a control panel related, so that are a run commands. This is the LUSR MGR for open local users and computers. Okay, so like local user, like a LUSR, like a local user MGR management .msc Microsoft Console. Different ways to open that one, but I will try to open like this. Okay, so one account I showed how to add it. So now I will show you how to add other account and other things like this. You can see here it is local user and group. Click on users. You can see the list of users available in your system. So as I said earlier, guys, again we have to do some settings related one. So again it will be slow for some time. Okay, so this is go to settings, click here in settings, go to settings. This is a Microsoft Zoom kind of stuff. Okay, magnifier. You can zoom in and zoom out screens, but it is 100 to 200% it is zooming. So this is increment levels. So you can put a 5%, 25% like that. So when you put it, so see it is increment is 25%, 50% like this. Okay, but it is very slow. Nowadays it is slow. So you can uncheck this one. So smoothness will be reduced. Smoothness will be reduced, but it works normally. Okay, so close this one. Now I will try to show you again, guys. This is my local users and groups. Users, administrators. See, it is a disabled. It is a user, but it is disabled. See, it is a disabled symbol. By default, it is disabled. If you want, you can enable also, but unnecessarily another user will be there. Okay, default account something is there, so we don't know what it is, but guest is also disabled. If you want to enable, then also you can try to enable and look at. So what is the use of this guest? I'm not doing it anything, just this is student one and this is student. For example, you want to change the password for a user like this, you can able to change it. Like a student 2 or a student 1, right click, set password, proceed. Then you can give the password for this particular user or password. Okay. I'm not doing anything, just don't want to give. I want to add another user simply in this one. So in the white space, right click, new user, right click, new user, and give the another username. Student 3. Okay, so you want to give password, confirm passwords. You want to make a user disabled or not changing password, that other settings are there, but it is very simple to add a user. Create language. Okay, so this is user 3 is created. So very simple, right click, new user, give the username and give the password, uncheck this option and click create. Okay, this option is like if you give dummy password, okay, and you create an account. So when you log in for first time, you have to change your password. Okay, user must change a password and the next login. So like this, I added 3 users. This user I added when I doing post installation time. Okay, this is I added with the settings, account settings, account, family and others. Add someone else to use this computer. That is option. This is I went to local users and groups and I added this account. Okay, there's other things also there like a groups. A lot of different type of groups are there. Based on the membership with that groups, you'll get that kind of rights also. Like if you are a member of this administrators group, you become an administrator automatically. Okay, so this is another way of adding a user. So what sir it is? I created a 2 users now. So now what I'm going to do is, so which user you choose, you can able to log in. Okay, 2 users it is showing here. But first of all, I want to show you a few more things before you go into log in with other user. Anyway, Saturday, Sunday holiday. So tomorrow I won't touch any theory, but I will show you one by one practical. So Saturday and Sunday, sit in home and do complete the practicals. Okay. Also, I will share some other practical videos also. Though can try. Guys, look at here in my desktop. On my desktop, I'm going to create some file. Very dead slow system. I will leave this system today like this, and no, I can't leave like this. So one more option is there. So that's I have to put it. See, this is only one some refresh. It's a 2 GB machine. It is very slow. So what is going on? Also, don't understand. Explorer crashed. So that is called a Explorer crashed. Okay, explorer.exe, explorer. I will note down. I will note this thing. So look at here. So what I said, Explorer, explorer dot exe, explorer.exe is a process which give you your desktop environment, taskbar icons, background desktop icons will be given by Explorer. Like you open this folder, right? So how can you open this one? Because of the Explorer. This is called Explorer. File Explorer. This is a File Explorer. Okay. So this File Explorer, everything works under Explorer.exe thing. So you can go to your task manager. In the process, find out where is this Explorer.exe. So it is also very slow. Entire my system is slow. I don't know why it is. So morning attendance to I am not posted any records also. That's very good. Find out where is this explorer.exe located. Okay. It is very difficult to find, but somewhere it is there. You can easily find in your system. In my system, lot of services, everything is running, right? So that is, see, this is explorer.exe. You know, if you close this one, if we restarted or end task, so what will happen? Your enter your background, open up kind of stuff, everything will be closed. Okay, even though this is the folder things which is open also will be closed. That is called a explorer.exe. So that is crashed in my virtual machine. That's it is closed everything and do it. Sometimes it will happens in the system. Sometimes you can't see anything on your system. System is running, but you can't see anything. Guys, I put a one file on my desktop, SS1, where it is stores location. It is a very dead slow, and I'm getting irritated with that dead slow. My file explorer is not exploring anything. So for quick start, even my physical machine having lot of data, but it is taking lot of time for this one. Yes. Okay. See, where is your that file? Is I've created a file here. Where is this file is located in the system? So you can access from your desktop. So you look at here, click on the desktop, you can able to see it. Okay. Also, you can open the desktop from here also. Guys, look at. If you create a data in your desktop, documents, downloads, videos, pictures, music, you know where it stores? In the C drive, users folder, under user folders, student one, under student one. See, this is your data. This is called a profile data. This is your profile data. This is your profile data. So data stored under users. Under C, users, student one, that is a user's personal data or a profile data. So this is what we call it as a personal data or profile data. Okay. Do not forget this one, guys. Lot of words will come up. To understand the terminologies, these are very useful. Okay, so it means data. See, this is a desktop is there now. If I open, you can see there is a file. So one user profile data cannot be accessed by others. So the desktop, whenever a user is login, student one is login, student one will get his own desktop and desktop data, documents, downloads, favorites, links, music, OneDrive, pictures, videos, contacts of student one cannot be accessed by other user. Okay. If I store a data on the C drive, okay, I will create some file here. So it is creating a folder here. So no problem. So I put a folder name is D and I will create a file name is C. Okay, so file name is C. So other users means student 2, student 3 can able to access this D folder and a C file in the inside. But other users cannot access this particular file because of this file is located under the students 1 folder under C users problem. Okay, so the data stores in this location. These are all this user's personal data. Okay, only the particular user can able to access. Okay, and if you look at how many users currently I have in my PC, guys. So we are on the last. Okay, so please cooperate. How many users I have currently in my PC? Student 1, student 2, student 3. So total 3 accounts are there. But why it is showing only student 1? Where is the student 2? Where is student 3 folder here? Because I'm not at login with other users. So when our user is login for a first time user is login, his profile data will be created. So what I'm doing is I'm going to sign out from this particular user. Okay, so here is, so we have to remove this thing. So I need a regular one, other user kind of stuff. Student 2. Yeah, like this list. Student 2 sign in. So first time student 2 is login. So what happened? I'm a muted or what? No. Check. So first time I log in, it will take time, guys. First time you log in, so it will take time. So why it is taking time? Your system will prepare profile data for student user, means for new user, settings, applications, depends upon permissions of user. So that application access, group policies, everything will be set. So that's why whenever the user is logging for first time, it take times. Okay, so relax and see. Meanwhile, I'll type everything. I'll try to put everything here, like how to add a user account. Windows 10. So first one is go to settings, press Windows button. Then go to settings, account, family. Press. Okay. Add someone else use this PC. Okay, like this. Still it is working, not working. Yeah. Leave everything to us. Okay, now very good. Okay, add someone else use this PC. Okay, there you have to search, like I don't have. Account info, like I don't have something that is enough. So next one is add user without Microsoft account. Okay, like this, and then create a username. Give the username. I given a username is student2. Remaining is click OK. That's it. We'll turn on another way. Go to run. Put a like this. This will open local users and groups. So put a right click. Put a right click. Put a right click and add user, and then give the username and click OK. If you want to give password, you can give password also. That's very simplest. Earlier days we use a control panel, otherwise we use this method. But now control panel, through control panel you can't able to add a users. You can only see the user information only. And also I explained about user profile data. What is this user profile data? Is the under C slash Windows, sorry, C users like student one, okay, student one's profile or personal data store here. Okay. So what is that personal data? Desktop, document, pictures, videos, links, contacts, favorites, saved games, like this. There is a few more things are there like this. So one user's personal or profile data cannot access by other user. When user login for a first time, the profile or personal created. Okay, means these things will created settings, everything will be done. Okay, that's it will take time. Okay, we are in almost last. Once it is login, I will log out and log in with our previous account. So tomorrow we'll remove that kind of stuff. Okay, so that's It is still taking time. Just wait. It's take a bit longer than expected, but we will get there as fast as we can. It is an Indian railway system, or bus system, or taxi system. Guys, anybody having any doubts or any clarifications? It is taking a lot of time. This is post installation kind of stuff, 36 minutes. Meanwhile, I will upload this one. Today, upload of videos also may take a bit late. So entire system, everything, physical machine, virtual machine, internet, everything is very slow. Yeah, we got it. Screen. Finally. Again, you have to give, do you want this feature or not? Okay. This is ink and typing feature. Okay. Accept it. Again, it may take time. That is slow, slow, slow. Yeah, finally we log in. Okay, I'm checking what happened. Okay, guys, this is here. If you see in desktop, that file is not there. In the desktop, that file is not there. Okay, you can go to other things like, so totally dead slow. Why I need a Bluetooth here? Right, unnecessary synchronizations, unnecessary data host. See, right click. Okay, that's it, guys. I want to show you 1 or 2 points, but it is still death sentence on there. It will happen sometimes in cooperation moment kind of stuff. So just don't want to cooperate with us to do work. Okay, it is like that. See, finally. So I open my file explorer. Just click here. File explorer will open. This PC. Okay. C drive. D. CC. See, data which I can able to access, which is the data in the C drive directly. But I can't access the data in the profile. See, like this. Student 1, student 2. Student 2 folder contains student 2 data, profile data. Okay. See, student 1 data I can't able to access. See this? You don't currently have permission to access this folder. So you don't have access. So one user cannot access other user profile data. In the desktop, I'm going to create another file from the student 2. Okay. So if I go to student 1, this file won't shows. It shows therefore SS1 only, because both users profile data is a separate one. This is how to add a user, how to log in with a user. Okay. So tomorrow we'll remove that picture password to avoid the confusion. Okay. So tomorrow we'll remove the password, and then also we'll do other things like a disk management, file sharing, file system, like that. So I want to log in with the student one. So obviously it is this one only. So I forget. Yeah, this is 0. Okay. Okay. And this is only arrow. That's it, guys. You can shut down your PC. Okay. So and you can disconnect it also. So yeah, thank you guys. Bye bye. I'm also stopping my recording.